And she said,
Johnny Giuliano,
and she said, 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 I wanna know your name. Ha, I wanna know your name. What's your name, shawty? Help me know mine. You my boots, together we like the sunshine. Let me unwind and get you out them clothes. I'm in my lucky jeans, me is where the hoe. You know I hold it down, she know I got the work. She know I do the loving good, I'll make it hurt. I get her wet, I beat it up, and I beat it down. She know why I'm the bestest, yep, the best around. You could not find another if you looked around. So just realize what you got. You know I ain't a clown. I tell you every day how beautiful you are. So just grab my hand and hop up in my car. I'll take you up to that place. I'll walk you right through them gates. I'll lay you up on the beach and tell you how great you are. You know that you with the star. D-boy, I shine the star. I'm hotter than the sun. These niggas don't wish they are, cause they know who I am and they know I got the grands and know I'm walking through the school holding your hand. That's why they hate, that's why they grilling me. But I keep on killing, baby. I get the money, and you know I'm sicker than rabies. Ha, got these niggas itching like scabies. She just wanna know my name, but I gave her 80. Hot 80 stacks. How you gonna act? D-boy is the bestest. Now how you gonna react? She wanna know my name, I whisper that shit in her ear. I grab her by the hands and order her a drink. I take her back to my place. No, it's gonna celebrate and we just gonna party. Told you when it's fucking late. Yeah, it's fucking late. But she wanna know my name. So I took her to the pad and engraved the name. I told her I was the best and she believed the nigga. That's why I'm the best, so you can leave it, nigga. You couldn't do what I do, cause you ain't in my shoes. D-boy got her by my side, I'm still reppin' blue. She know what I've done, she'll know what I do. Forever me and you, is that shit cool? Cause I don't know no more, but I'ma keep on ballin'. You know I never front to you, so I'm never stallin'. Shorty, you can call me anytime you want, and you know I'm gonna answer while them other niggas talk. They couldn't do what we did, and they couldn't do what I've done, and they know that I'm the streets, and they know that's who I love. Yep, the streets, yep, I run, but I will give it away to be right there by your side like every day. I put it down, throw it away, it's trash on the plate. If I could just hold your hand and tell you how fucking great that you are. You like a star, yup, 100%. You know that I'm the fucking best, and don't you forget. Deuces.